Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set input lock on TCL A300W. You can lock some inputs so other people, for example your children, don't have access to certain inputs without entering a password. To do that, click on the settings button on your remote, then click on OK to enter all settings. Then go to System, Parental Controls. Now enter the password that was set for parental controls at the setup of your TV and click on OK. Then go to Inputs Lock. And now you can select which inputs will be locked. I'm gonna lock HDMI 2 and HDMI 3. And from now on, when I go back, whenever I want to access HDMI 2 or 3, I'll need to enter a password. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.